Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change language back to English on your Facebook profile. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change Facebook profile language back to English, click on your account icon on upper right corner. Then you will find a gear icon, that is settings and privacy. Click on gear icon. Then you will find an option globe. This is the language. Click on globe icon. Now you will find Facebook language here. Click on Facebook language, and here Bengali is selected right now. You will find English US here. Just click on English US. Now Facebook profile is refreshing and Facebook language has been changed back to English. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.